Hi, this is Ivy from China again. Today, I will be sharing my CS50P final project, a desktop pad made with Pygame. I've always loved a good virtual pad, whether to keep it in the pocket like a Tamagotchi or to stay on the screen. So for my final project, I thought, why don't I create my own pad? I immediately started researching how to build a desktop pad with Python. Since I found a really decent in-depth Pygame tutorial made by Clearcode, I decided to follow it and see where it leads.
Too late to make it. What is it too late to try? And now time that you waste.
Okay, so I create a window and draw a red rectangle, and voila! Turn this boring rectangle into a kitty. But I soon realized that making it move as a GIF is so much different from doing it in a game. The concept is that you play the image frame by frame, so it looks like it's moving. As the window refreshes every second, it draws an entirely new canvas. To keep the main code clear, I moved my cat class to a separate file. Besides loading separate images, I also need to control the animation speed. If it follows the clock tick that I set to 60, which means 60 new canvases were drawn per second, my cat would look like it's twitching. So I use this line of code that increments indices by a fraction to control it. With a little additional help from MaxDev's video on making a transparent window, I managed to make my cat walk along the bottom of the screen and turn around when hitting the edge. But I didn't want my cat to just be a little mascot that's dangling around. I wanted it to talk to it. So I went to find a free API for a large language model. I wrote a sophisticated prompt that asked the AI to first pick a number from 1 through 10 and answer in a different character based on it, from refusing to answer the question to provide minimum help or even turning into a nasty cat that insults your intelligence. But I soon hit an obstacle in creating a proper input box with Pygame, realizing that just to make it happen might take me another good 5 hours of investigation and rework. Considering the time and effort I have already devoted into this mini project, and the fact that I learned how to work with AI APIs, I think it is time for me to move on.